Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create My Melody from Sanrio in Trust and Press for free without VIP. Okay, the outfit look like this, and I'm going to show you all items I'm wearing to create this outfit. First of all guys, you can choose all of these items and you're going to color it white. But for the flower, you just need to color it white for the first preview. Okay, but it's optional. You can skip this flower if you don't want to put it on your outfit. And you're going to wear this coat item. Okay, and this leg warmer and this shoe, color it all them white. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the hat area. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this hoodie and color it pink. Okay, I'm just going to choose this pink color. You can use this color code. Okay, the next one, we're going to choose the bear hat. Okay, and we're going to color it pink as well. Wait. Okay, this one. And then I'm going to show you the adjustment for this item. Okay, for the bear hat, you can position it like this and follow this rotation and also the scale. Okay, the next one, we're going to choose this hat and we're going to color it white. And then for the adjustment, wait. Okay guys, copy my adjustment for the hat. You can position it like this, rotate it like this, and this is for the scale. Just leave it normal, and then I'm going to select this for a hat, and then again we need to go to the accessory adjustment. Okay, copy this adjustment for the position, rotate, and also scale. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the ear warmer. This one, we're going to wear this item to create the My Melody eyes. You're going to color it black. Okay, and then just make it black for all the previews, and then copy my adjustment. Okay, this adjustment guys, position, rotate, and scale, and then this eyes will be created. And then the next one, we're going to select the eye mask. We're going to choose this eye mask for the mouth. You're going to color the first selection white and second selection black. Oops, sorry. Okay, then you're going to copy my adjustment. Okay guys, this is for the position, rotate, and scale. And as you can see, the mouth has been created. And then I'm going to choose the bunny ears, this one. And we're going to color it pink, the same pink for the first selection and also the second selection. And then you can follow my adjustment. Okay, this is for the position, rotate, and then scale. Okay, and then I'm going to select this flower, and then again we're going to go to the accessory adjustment. Oops, this flower guys. Okay, for the adjustment, copy this adjustment for the position, rotate, and then scale. And then I'm going to color it white. Oops, sorry. I'm going to color it white and also this orange color. Okay, and the next one, we're going to select this microphone. Okay, then you're going to color it with this color. Sorry, I'm going to show you the color code. This one guys, we're going to create nose with this color and with this microphone. and I'm going to show you the adjustment. Okay, the adjustment for the microphone to create noise, position, rotate, and scale. Okay, now we're going to go to the dressing room, and then we're going to wear the new bunny ears from the Easter update. Okay, I'm going to go to this item. Okay, you're going to color it pink for all the previews. Okay, now let's move to the adjustment. For the position, rotate, and then scale. Alright, and then this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create my melody from Sanrio for free and try to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!